Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. On Sunday, yes, Sunday. There's actually no newspaper on Sunday. It's Easter Day today. Yes, happy Easter. Um, Today I will continue with the additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, April the 3rd, 2021. We have 4 puzzles left. Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. So 4 Sudokus I will solve today, and the first Sudoku is a 1 star. And this will be number 2580. 2580. Oh, right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, the 1 star Sudoku has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. We see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this first row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. Well, we have another 9 there. So no 9 here. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then, how about the number 9 in this row? 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. So we have a 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. In the first column, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here also 7, so no 7 here. There 7, so no 7 here. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? Let me see. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. We have a pair. No, we not yet. Need to wait. 8. Okay. 5, 5. The 3 in the last row, the 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then, yeah. 1, 2, and 5. Okay. Let me see. Two numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 9. All right. 3. How about 8, and 9? Yeah. 1. 4. Yeah, 1, 2. All right, let's continue. All right. 5 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is A1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the numbers, these 2 numbers, for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are missing. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. The only place for the 5 should be there, and the 1 box left in this column for the number 2. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and 4. Okay. 5, 6, and 8. Okay. 5. I made a mistake, no? 5. Okay, so 2, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 should be there. Okay. Yeah. 5. Yeah, supposed to be the 5. Okay. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And the 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Well, we have an 8 here in this big square. So no 8 in that box. Only place for the 8 should be there. So the 4 goes here. Okay, 4. 3, 6, 3, 6, 5, and 2. All right, 1, 2, 3, 8, 2, 2, 8, 6. All right. 4. Cannot be an 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left now for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in that box. So the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Alright. So 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the row between, the middle row. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Then. So 7, okay. How about the number? 2, 2. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so in the row between, the middle row. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in and that, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. 1 box left in this middle row for the number 9. No, 9 we have. 6 is missing. Yeah, 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 4 is missing, 2 is missing, and 2, 4, and 9 is missing. Here we have 2 boxes left, the 9 and the 1. Let me mark those. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 9 anymore. So here in the last column, the only box left is for the number 9. In the last column, those 2 numbers should be the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those, 2 and 4. That means these 2 should be also 2 and 4. And here should be a 9, I believe. Yeah, one of these should be a 9. Okay. Here we have 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 1. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 2 and 6 are missing. 2 and 6 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 5, 3 is missing. Here can be 3, 3, 3. And the 6, yes. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Now 1 box. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. All right. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. Nope, 5 we have. 7 and 9. 7 and 9 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those boxes. 2 and 4. 2, 4 and 9 is missing here. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. Okay. So now the 2 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Then 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 5 and 4. No, 4 we have 5 and 7. Yes, 5 and 7 are missing. 5 and 7. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1 are missing here. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. All right. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers for the 9 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku with a 1 star, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few minutes with the Sudoku with 2 stars. So prepare for that one. Otherwise, have a nice day. Bye-bye for now.